MIH is the first super app of Mzansi. Sawubona Mzansi, and welcome to the update of spelling and grammar. This is definitely a weakness of mine, but with using spell checks, Grammarly, and AI rewrites, I've been managing through life. Now let's jump onto the Play Store to see what's new with MIH today. Before we move on to what's new with MIH, let's explain to those who are not familiar with MIH what MIH is all about. MIH is the first super app of Mzansi that is trying to digitize Mzansi one process at a time. One of the ways we've achieved this is through our Mzansi wallet. Let's jump onto MIH to give you a showcase of that. On the home screen of MIH, you'll see the different packages that are available for us to use. On the top next to Mzansi profile, we can find the Mzansi wallet. If we click on this, we'll see that the Mzansi wallet is a place for us to store all our loyalty cards digitally so that we can free up space in our physical wallet. Now that you are more familiar with MIH, let's scroll down to see what's new. In this week's update, there are 2 new features, 2 quality of life improvements, and 4 bugs that were squashed. Let's dive into the new features. The first new feature that we'll discuss is the homepage redesign. Let's open up MIH to see what's new. If you have a look at the home screen, you'll see that we've added a border around the packages, and we've removed the tabs at the bottom of the screen. This was to make more space for you to see more of the tiles that we have to offer. But you still have the ability to swipe over to your business home. But now it's just a little bit smoother. So if we swipe over, you'll see that we've added the swipe animation. And in the top right of the screen, you'll see that we've added 2 tool icons that we can use. So the one takes us to our personal home, the other one takes us to our business home. Also, what we've added is a dynamic search. So now you just have to type what package you're looking for and it will automatically filter it out for you, similar to what's it like in the Mzansi wallet. You'll also notice that some of the icons are looking a little bit different. So please leave a comment to let me know what you think of the redesign of the MIH home screen and let me know what you think should be improved. As promised in last week's video, we've added a new loyalty card to the Mzansi wallet. Let's check out what loyalty card was added to the Mzansi wallet. I'll click on the Mzansi wallet, and then if we click on the add icon in the bottom right hand corner and click on the down arrow by shop, you'll see that Apple Tree is now added to the Mzansi wallet. All we have to do is scan our card. So you can see here's the Apple Tree card. I'll spin it over. And you can see how fast, I'm actually shocked, you can see how fast it registered the card number of the Apple Tree card. All I have to do now is click add. And now the Apple Tree card is loaded to our Mzansi wallet. Leave a comment to let me know what other loyalty cards you think I should add to the Mzansi wallet. And that's the new features for this week. Now let's jump into the quality of life improvements. The first quality of life improvement that we've made to MIH is a wording change. So this is specifically under your patient profile. We have changed the wording scheme into plan. So if you have a look on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see in this video that if we go into our patient profile, we'll see at the bottom of the screen we have scheme. So this is the type of medical aid that you have. But we've changed this, and if we have a look at the right hand side of the screen, we'll see that if we open up our patient profile and scroll down, we'll see that it now changed to plan. This is just to make it easier for you to understand what you need to fill in to your patient profile. The next quality of life improvement is a little bit more difficult for me to showcase this to you, because this is the removal of the screenshot prevention on MIH. A while ago, one of the members of Mzansi suggested that I add screenshot prevention to MIH, so I did that for them. However, this has been more of a burden than an enhancement on MIH because I prevented screenshots on the entire application. So what we've done this week is completely remove it from MIH, but in the future, we're going to have it on specific packages of MIH only and not the entire application itself. So stay tuned for a future update where we will release this. And that's the quality of life enhancements that were made this week. Now let's see what bugs were squashed this week. Now this is where we jump into the spelling and grammar bug fixes that I mentioned previously. The first error was a spelling mistake, specifically to the success message after creating your patient profile. As you can see on the left hand side, the word profile was spelled incorrectly. If we have a look at the right hand side, we've changed this to have the correct spelling of profile. The next one is a grammatical error, or the wording just wasn't sounding too nice. This is once you delete a business user from your business profile. You'll see on the left-hand side that it reads, "The employee has been deleted successfully." This means it will no longer have access to your business profile. We've changed this now, and if we have a look on the right-hand side, it reads, "The employee has been deleted successfully." This means they will no longer have access to your business profile. In my opinion, this reads much better than what it was previously. These two bugs were picked up by my brother, who is testing the iOS version of MIH at the moment. The next bug is another spelling error inside MIH, and this is in the About MIH package. If we have a look at the left-hand side, you'll see under the Founders section, I have University of the Western Cape. So this is again a spelling error, and on the right-hand side, I have fixed this to the University of the Western Cape. This was brought to my attention by one of the new members of Mzansi who was having a look at MIH. Thank you so much, and please don't be shy to let me know what issues you find in MIH, and hopefully we can fix it in the next week's update. And the last bug that was fixed is to your business profile, specifically to the Set Location button. If you have a look on the left-hand side, sorry, I had to take a picture of a screen because of the screenshot prevention that I mentioned previously. So you can see that the word set, the text wrapped over if the screen wasn't big enough. So we've fixed this and made the set button a little bit larger to accommodate all the text. And that's all the bugs that are squashed in MIH this week. If you found any bug within MIH, please feel free to contact us through any of our social media platforms that we are active on. We will try and respond to you immediately and try and fix it in the next week's update. Like, subscribe, follow, and do all those nice things to let the algorithm know that you believe in the vision of MIH. Let's keep working hard, Mzansi.